Hey guys, welcome back to Grow Photography. In today's video, I'd like to take you behind the scenes on a photo shoot with Toronto FC star Sebastian Giovinco. So here we go.
It is Giovinco! Sebastian Giovinco puts Toronto FC back in front. He is almost unstoppable from free kicks.
Hey, hi there, I'm Carmine, the photographer on the shoot here with one of my favorite soccer stars, Sebastian Giovinco. He's a phenomenal athlete. I've had the pleasure of watching him play many times. Of course, it's a real thrill to get to meet him today, and he's a super cooperative, seems to be very friendly and low-key guy, so it's working out just fantastic. Really excited.
It's all there. Check out this one. And that's the perfect look. Good, hold.
Questa roba d'allenamento la potete trovare su soccer.com.
Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Peace.